everyone. Okay, if you didn't hear me, hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of, well, nothing really, because this time we're reviewing a siren. Yay! Oh, where's the head? Oh no. Siren head! No! Get back here! Get back here! Stop doing it. There's the hole. Where you put the... Well, you know what I mean. You put the box on top of there, and then, well, you do this. Then you put this. And bam! You got yourself your own siren. Now, if somebody walks through like this, but from outside, we'll just do it differently. Wait a minute. Okay, it works. Later through. Fin, that's what I call fin. In real life, it's actually fake, but cares. So if somebody goes strolling in like this, FBI, oh God!
Rich billionaire with a powerful suit. Sure, God of light and man. Okay, so basically I'm very slow. 5-year-old me and a 21-year-old girl I'm like. Calls me a handsome. Me to myself. Just be normal. You are on a date. Me 5 seconds later. I love refrigerator. Me looking for where they got moved to this week. Swedish girls, Irish girls, Spanish girls, good girls. What? Why are you taking a picture of your book? Me. The reasons for my actions are beyond understanding. Corporate needs you to find the differences between this picture and this picture. They're the same picture.
Oh, come on! All power has been lost. What? Well, all power has been lost? All power has been lost. But, okay, Michelle, get out of here. All power has been lost. Okay, well, at least I have still this, and Michelle's trying to ruin the movie, so I'm gonna purge her out. Okay. Stop. Okay. What? Kind of. Okay. Okay, here's Michelle. We can't show her face because that wouldn't be good in our family. So now we have to go. So now we have to go through the power outlet. Yeah.
Seems scary in here.
I know it does. So I gotta go over here to the painting of God. All power has been restored. Now time to go back. All power should be restored. Look, everything's back on. Look, the TV is playing dank memes again. Yay! So everyone, that's basically it for today. Nothing really that much. So enjoy. And remember, make sure you wash your hands during quarantine, or else you may not make it. No, Katie, bite that show. Get out of here. Okay.